Get some homemade tzatziki with the cucumbers out of the garden. So basically, you're gonna shred the cucumbers or grate them, and then squeeze the excess water out of them. Add garlic, dill, mint, and salt. You're gonna mix it with Greek yogurt. Let's go ahead and pop that in the food processor here. Now, if you want to add more mint to it, or more dill, I'd go with what the recipe calls for, and then process it and give it a little taste test, and then see if you need to add more salts or more herbs or what. And I'll write all this down in the description, how much of what goes in there. She quadrupled the recipe, so I'll write down the regular recipe for it. We just make more because there's 3 of us here and we all like it. This is just plain yogurt. Don't use flavored yogurt for this. Just plain yogurt, because you're giving it plain Greek yogurt. Nice and thick. You're giving it your own spices here. We'll taste, see what we got here. You put lemon in there too? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, lemon as well. I forgot about the lemon. Okay. It's tasty, but it ain't quite perfect yet. Gonna add some more stuff to it. That's the problem when you double or quadruple recipes. You don't know how much is supposed to be in there, so it ended up not tasting right. You just tailor it to your needs. Just add more. Going ahead and adding the rest of the dill now. Since that's the last of it we got, I'm just going to put it all in there. That's better. It's still pretty thin though compared to what it was the other day.
Probably the cucumbers watery.
Yeah. And I think that was it. Just needed a little more dill and a little more salt. Taste that, Poppy. Yeah, it's good right there. So when you're squeezing the water out of the cucumber, try and get as much of it as possible out. Just get as much water out of the cucumber as possible.